Today, I am with 3 other people. I am with Hazel. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Hazel. You can follow me on YouTube and Roblox.
I'll put her link. Yeah. And guys, I'll link her channel to the description right there. If you guys see like basically you guys, when you go down, like you see the red buttons, you can see where it says subscribe to. You guys can press on her channel. Go follow her right there. Then I have 2 other mystery guests. Addie, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Robin, and I will soon be a Tokaboka YouTuber, and you can follow me on Roblox, and my username is _Clover.
Okay, you have another mystery guest. She doesn't want to introduce herself, but yeah, she's also a YouTuber. Her YouTube channel will be linked. So yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna get into this. So guys, before I say bye, I said bye before, but I'm gonna do this. So you guys, our challenge is we're gonna do Bloxburg building, but no communication at all. So you guys won't be hearing from any of them except for me. They won't be hearing from me, and no, you just can't. But guys, the theme, guys, is gonna be like a 1-story clean suburban house. So yeah, it's gonna be giant though. That's what. It's gonna be like a giant 1-story suburban home. And guys, the colors are like light theme. That's the theme that we're going for. We do not know what you guys are gonna do, so it's gonna be really hard. So yes, anyway guys, let's get into that video. And also guys, I gave them each 50K. This person over here got roommate because I don't trust her. And then these 2 people over here got co-owner with 50K. So I trust them. And guys, if they need more money, guys, they can come to me. If you guys need more money, just go to me, get out of build mode, and just jump in front of me. Okay? So yeah. And I will give you guys a more budget. Guys, bro, they're about to get me mad, bro. What the hell is this? Can they build? Like, what is this, bro? Like, they're about to get me mad, bro. And she keeps spawning cars. That little black person over there, that they don't want to introduce herself. The black spider. They don't want to introduce herself. They keep trolling putting cars, and it's not even funny. This is annoying. They cannot build. Like, what is this? What the hell is this? What freak is this? This is not what I had in mind, I swear. I'm getting irritated as hell. Like, no, Bookie, no. Why is it so long? Anyway, guys, I think the special guest wants me.
Yeah, but when you guys are done doing the house, who is doing that?
That's why I set up, I'm recording. I freaking swear. All up. Guys, why are you guys making the house so long? Where did you put the garage? The garage is supposed to be like turn the corner of it. That's what I'm trying to do. No, it's okay. I'm not supposed to talk to you. Addie, but you can't even, because y'all are making it too big and it's too close. Addie, it's okay. It's not communication. It's because I don't even know I'm in here. Oh, sure. Who's building all the way back here? Oh, stop it. No, we're building separate homes. No, we're building separate homes. No, we're building separate homes. No way. No way. Who the frick is building all the way back there? Adelia! Oh yes, just continue the video. It's okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, but TT, it's the video, TT. It's not supposed to be set for TT. Why does it matter if it's good or not? It's trying to see how much teamwork do we have. Okay, mute. Addie, mute. Addie, mute. And I'm recording right now. They can hear you, so no. Hey, don't mind the background. Bum claps. No. It's a garage. That's the garage. This is a garage. Why can't I move I was gonna like that. No, I don't like that. Addie, shut up. Those are your rocks. It's okay to go with that. Maybe like that. Like that. I don't know. Am I the only one building right now? I'm just gonna put that down in the face to know that it's gonna start with it. Why is that so freaking long? Oh, did I do this? I did not do that. Okay. Listen to them. That's what they want. I don't need a chance of for real, y'all. I need a chance to swear I'm doing something like that. Do you have any questions over there? Someone could paint the walls. Gigi, what are you doing? No, I got turned into two-story. It can be two-story.
What color do you want the walls?
You can pick. I can't pick. Guys, I'm sorry for talking. I just had to. And I'm not doing it. I probably have to connect that the way. Maybe a hallway could be. I'm making it plain white. Really white. I think the office could be over here. When they walk in, there'll be the office here. Okay, yeah, that wouldn't be so bad. Wait, I'm gonna record later. Okay, guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? Because I missed you. Anyway, guys, I don't play game much often, but the vlog is like this is gonna probably be like this is it's like a little hallway thing to walk back and forth. This is gonna be the office over here. I see that. I feel like a giant massive window. That's gonna be like kind of shitty room. I don't know why I'm gonna do this boxes. I don't know who did this. That's a big no. Oh, well, that's a big no right here. I don't like that. So I'll probably put like. Oh no, this needs to be covering that way. I don't put too much in there. So I don't know. What the freak? You gotta realize something. How are we supposed to decorate this if it's that long, TT? But maybe make it like kind of shorter. But yeah, it's good. I had to say it because like this. Does that look good or no? Why am I talking about like in bed? It's okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh, good. How can I not see the things already? Jesus, she's got that ugly. Why can't I show for that? I don't know why. I'm gonna be tripping out. Tripping out. Trip out. Trip out. Trip out. Trip out. Trip out. It's just ugly. I hate that. It's not even match. What the hell? What's she doing? I don't like that. Guys, what is Taser doing? I don't know. She's not doing this. No big deal. No, it's a no. No, it's a no. That's a big no. She's gonna come with me to the mic and say, stop. I think that one's better. It's cuter. What? No, that's perfect. But you need to make a room. Just make room. Dang, she made it wrong. Where for this chair? No. Why would you make
I'm trying to make a table with the chair. Stop.
She's trying to make a table with a chair. Hey, maybe just not that chair. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe no communication is not sorry.
Guys, I would add anything to this big open glass piece.
Yes, I got that. Don't worry. I got that. Okay, guys. You miss me because I miss you. $1,000. I have $300. Y'all think I'm rich or something? I'm looking now, guys. Yeah, I know I gotta get that money. Go away. So yeah, my sister. I'm about to look like a fence. I don't know who did that. Rip that thing over there. Okay, just maybe not those. I don't know, sure. Okay, maybe I should do something good. It's not nice. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. Yeah. Stop. Alright, I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, just saying bye. Anyways, guys, so you guys see, guys, we didn't complete it, guys, but we're gonna do a part 2 very soon. But guys, stay tuned for part 2. Actually, we're gonna do part 2. It's pretty big and stuff, but this video was too long, so I cannot keep recording. So my short's gonna get full. But I'll be back with another bang.